What's going on, y'all? Monk Roof Lifestyle here. Making a quick video. Got something that I've been wanting, that I've been waiting on for a long time. And I got it here in this box. So, let's open up the shop. So, wait for all the dust and crap to settle. Plenty of it. My shop is a wreck. I can't remember the last project that I did, but left my shop in a bit of a disarray. So we'll see what happens with that. I need to clean it so I can actually have my space back, because I ain't got no space right now. Anyway, make sure it's unlocked. Yes, it is. Cool. All right, so let's go get this box. Let's see. Can't really show the box. It's actually got my address on it, so I'm kind of trying to hide it just a little bit. Need to hang this back up too. Bicycle. Let's see here. Okay. All right. So, this is something that I've been waiting on for a few months. Y'all know that I'm kind of going with the VIP build. Well, this isn't a build. This is just a car. It's not a build in any way. I'm going for the VIP look. That's more like it. Yeah. Going for the VIP look. Now, with that said, I've been looking for that. Hang on, technical difficulties. There we go. Aha. Alright, so now that y'all can actually see me. So y'all know that I've been kind of going with the VIP look for this car. You know, my Celsior, 1995. I haven't done anything to it since y'all last seen it. I did away with the rails that went all along here and whatnot. I wanted a cleaner look, so I did away with the rails, even though it keeps the curtains confined to one area, which is okay by me. That doesn't really bother me in the least. I didn't really open them up very often anyway, so I'm just like, you know what, screw it. I'll just go ahead and cut the rails and go from there. You know, it makes it look a lot cleaner. Usually I don't have my fronts in. I usually put those out back in the trunk, and I like to ride my windows down, so I don't like to have my curtains in there whenever I'm riding my windows down. They're thin. I mean, they're only like 25 bucks per two off of Amazon, so they're not anything special, but they look the part, and that's all I care about. Honestly, I'm not going to pay an ass of money for something that's literally going to do what it's doing right now. You know, Junction Produce and all them boys are nice, but this does the same thing for like 3/4 of the price or whatever. So anyway, waiting on this for a few months, and I already opened it yesterday. I actually did a video of me opening it yesterday, but it was all rushed and whatnot. It wasn't very well done, so I got up early on purpose this morning to be able to do this and have plenty of time to hang out with y'all. So let's see what it is I got. Like I said, all this is already going to be open, so it ain't going to have the shock and awe effect, but I don't know, it might, depending on who you are. So here it is. This here is what I ordered. Yeah. Makeshift table. So, this is what I ordered. This is a custom made VIP table. You can see the shop name right there, KQ Customs. They are out of not Georgia, I'm sorry, Florida. Now I'm in South Carolina. It took a little bit to get to me, but that is perfectly fine. Now, y'all remember me mentioning that it took me a couple of months to get this. And the mounts right here, which he also put together. So I need to mount all this up myself, which is fine. I can do that, no problem. Which I'm probably going to go over that with y'all too, how all this stuff works. Which I've never put one of these together before, but to me, you got a screw right there and whatnot, brackets. These right here go in the in my case, the CD changer. There's two pockets in the CD changer that these right here will slide into. But anyway, so it took me a couple of months to get this. Now the thing you got to realize about the guy who made this, he hand makes all of this. He cut out the wood himself. If I can get my camera under control. Cut out all the wood himself, did all the holes himself and everything like that, did all the routing and whatnot. He hand mixed the color closely as possible match the wood grain in my car, which you can't really see all that well because it's kind of dark. This camera doesn't do too well in the dark or in say darker areas. It's really not that dark out here, but he hand mixed all that. And then he laid 7 layers of resin on this thing, and it is absolutely stunning. The video doesn't really do this justice. I mean, it really doesn't. It is immaculate, so pretty. So that's what I ordered. This set me back $185 shipped, which actually is not much at all. You're gonna look at the other the VIP tables and stuff like that from, you know, VIP'd Out and Junction Produce and all them boys over there. And this right here is just everything I wanted and then some at a fraction of the price. He was doing very, very big things for the LS400 community, the Celsior community, and he also just started doing Crown stuff as well from the same generation, you know, the 90s. So he's in Florida. That's his name right there, KQ Customs. Hit him up if you want something good. Just have patience. He makes all this by hand. He makes all his stuff in very small batches, like probably no more than probably 10 orders a piece, if that. So maybe 15, I'm not sure, but the little bit that I got cricket. The little bit that I have paid attention to his posts on social media, it can't be no more than probably 10 or 15 orders per build cycle, for the lack of better term, but you get the idea. So it's very nice, extremely smooth, just a overall beautiful piece of woodwork. That's the bottom of it. It's real wood. You can see the knot. Well, maybe not. There we go. You can see the knot. It's all real wood, and even despite the resin being on there, you can still smell the wood a little bit. This is everything I wanted and then some. This is absolutely beautiful. So, without further ado, let's dig into this real quick. Give me a second. I want to grab a blade. Can't believe I'm having to use cardboard as a table because mine's all freaking clogged up over there. Annoying. Oh well. It is what it is at this point. Alright. So. Yep. Screws. You can see them right there. Get some of this tape off. Oh, lost a screw. That goes here. That goes there. some more of this stuff off of here. There we go. Screw and a screw. Screws come off. Come out, should I say. Tape off. Okay. Smell that wood. Pause. Alright, cool. So, like I said, he hand cuts all this, and you can tell. It's not perfect. That right there is damn near close. If not perfect. But you can tell, you know, that he does all this by hand. Which is amazing to me. I ain't got the patience for all that shit. Hey, look at this guy. Got plenty of these things in my shop. Got a couple of brown widows floating around here too. Anywho, let's see what we can do here. So, this is, these are the pockets that it's going to sit inside. Well, you can't see them. Thought this thing would have done better than that. Flashlight. Oh yeah, much better. Alright, so there's the pockets right here. So what's going to happen is they're going to set in those pockets. I don't know if I'll be able to do anything or not. A little bit. Yeah, that'll work for now. Those little feet, I guess for lack of a better term, are going to sit in here like so. They're probably going to set up like that. Well, I got the table in. It took a little bit of doing though, but I got it. Check it out. As you wipe down, it's got fingerprints all over it. You can see. Definitely cool. I never thought I'd have something like this. Close is good. Yep. And you're not supposed to ride around with these with the fact that there is a airbag over there. Sure that's clear. To vacuum this thing out, got sand in it. Oh, there it is. Definitely some cool stuff. And it's a tight fit. Slides into pockets. I'll push up a little bit, give it a push. There we go. She's in. Definitely cool. I like it a lot. I'm gonna have to level it out just a little bit because it does tip a little bit, but it works good. So, got the screws right there, the brackets to go in here, and like I showed you earlier, just a minute ago, held in there by these feet, and that's basically all there is to it. Not really much else going on with it. Give it a push. There it is. You ready to pimp? Get yourself some sake or a nice little wine glass of some sort, and I don't know, maybe a little anime figure or something to go right there. I don't know. And go from there. But there you have it. Definitely cool. Definitely adds the to the VIP look of the vehicle, you know. And that's really about it. Again, I wish I could have done more, but I wish I could have done more videoing. But there's a few things that went wrong that I had to remedy. But I got it done. Best believe that. And again, that's the name of the place right there. Yep, KQ Customs, out of Florida, USA. There you have it. Car's basically done now. But it'll really be done whenever I get the glasses and everything to go in there. Put my 20s back on. So, good times. Alright, well, that's it for the time being. Sorry it's not much of a video, but I had to do a little bit more than I anticipated, which is okay. A little project never hurt nobody. So, with that being said, thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe if you want. I don't do a whole lot on the channel. I don't get very much stuff going on with the channel, which is why I rarely do anything nowadays. You know, aside of just random stuff like this. But that's okay too, I suppose. Alright, well, I'll go ahead and leave y'all be. Like and subscribe if you want to. And I will catch up with y'all next time.